Angus Picanha. This time we're going to slow cook this in the oven, 225 degrees for 3 hours. Internal temperature reached 140 degrees. Now we're going to thin slice this with the deli slicer. Those are your thick slices. If you wanted to, you could also do maybe some thin slices that would be good for making steak and cheese sandwiches, things of that nature. So sandwiches like this are very, very good. Don't forget, we also have lots of other meats you can come check out, from steaks, chicken, seafood, pork, buffalo, venison, elk, gator, camel, goose, ostrich, duck, rabbit, or lamb. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and check back for more recipes. America's Choice Gourmet.